Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get this which type of fairy are you filter on Instagram. So to use this filter, wait for it, okay, and you will see this screen. Here you have to tilt your head to answer the question. Do you find it easy to control your emotions? Okay, tilt your head right for yes and no. Okay, second question, tell the truth even if it hurts. Okay, okay, likewise. Okay guys, so likewise you can use this effect. To get this effect, visit Fate Netflix. Okay, and check in the filter gallery. This is the filter. Which fairy are you? Tap on it, then you will see this preview. From here you can save it to your Instagram camera tray and you can tap on try to try the filter. Okay, and suppose you are not getting the effect like this, then what you can do, visit this website. Link to this website I'll give in the description box below. So here in this website you will see link to the filters. Just tap on the link and open it with Instagram. Okay, and likewise also you can get this effect on Instagram. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.